Ganpati Bappa Moria. You know what's Bappa's absolute favorite? Of course, it's Modak. So today we are bringing you 3 special Modak recipes: the traditional Ukadiche Modak, indulgent chocolate Modak with mint filling, and festive Rava Mawa Modak. Let's first start with the classic soft melt in the mouth Ukadiche Modak. For the outer covering, heat water in a pan, add a pinch of salt and a little oil. Now bring this to a boil, switch off the flame and add rice flour. Now cover and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes and knead it into a smooth dough. Now for the filling, in a pan, heat ghee and add jaggery. Once it melts, add grated coconut, nuts and cardamom powder. Now cook until the mixture turns slightly dry, then let it cool. Now to shape the modak, make equal sized balls of rice flour dough. Now flatten into a disc and shape into modaks with the coconut jaggery filling inside. Now place them on a grease plate and steam for 20 minutes. Now cool slightly, plate them up and serve warm. Now for all the chocolate lovers out there, let's make something fun. Chocolate mint modak. For this, melt dark chocolate and coat the insides of your modak mold. Now remove excess chocolate and refrigerate for 10 minutes. Now for the filling, mix icing sugar, mint powder, green color and a teaspoon of water to make a paste. The next step is to melt white chocolate, take out the mold, fill the chocolate shells with the mint filling, then cover with more melted chocolate. Now refrigerate again for 10 minutes. Demold gently and your shiny chocolate mint modaks are ready. And now let's finish with a rich festive Rava Mawa Modak full of ghee, milk and sweetness. Now heat oil in a pan and roast rava for 2 minutes till aromatic. Now add warm water and stir well. The next step is to add sugar and mix. Now add some milk powder, stir carefully to avoid lumps. Now cook on low flame till it thickens. The next step is to add some cardamom powder and a few drops of edible food color. Once the mixture thickens further, fill it in modak molds. Now demold and garnish with pista slivers. And there you have it, the holy trio of Ganesh Chaturthi modaks, the Ukadiche Modak, chocolate mint modak and Rava Mawa Modak. And this Ganesh Chaturthi, may Bappa bless your home with happiness, prosperity and lots of sweet modaks. Tell us in the comments which modak are you trying first. For more such easy recipes, subscribe to Times Foodie.